1993, there is a store in Wuxi, an ancient city on the south of the Yangtze River, which is a predecessor of the Zhuocheng group. The company's products are mainly screws, nuts, washers, rivets, and any other kinds of fasteners. After more than 20 years of innovation and hard work, Zhuocheng Group has risen directly to a high position and quickly become the guide of the mechanical industry. Zhuocheng is determined to produce professional fasteners, focus on R&D and innovation, and pursue profession and ultimate. Through teamwork, there is no hard to make the world fastener business. In order to actively and steadily promote the pace of international development, Zhuocheng develops in all aspects, walking on two legs in domestic and foreign trade, especially in Europe, the United States, and the Middle East. Having occupied a huge market share, Zhuocheng people strive to small screws and open up the big world. The company is group development, and at the same time, focuses on corporate culture and innovation. The company learns Mr. Kazuo Inamari's thoughts of respecting heaven and love, combined with our actual creation of the unique management philosophy, so that the spirit of love goes deep into every employee's mind and passes from generation to generation, making Zhuocheng build a strong, soft power. At the same time, the company also pursues the staff's material and cultural double harvest and establishes the staff recreation area, gym, reading room, karaoke room, etc. The company often organizes staff travel and other leisure activities, which increase team cohesion. Each month, the company will select outstanding employees, and the top 3 will have fame and fortune. Awards, trophies, and bonuses fully stimulate everyone's energy and fighting spirit. Zhuocheng Mechanical, making every effort to build a relaxed and harmonious enterprise. Zhuocheng's development not only depends on every employee's effort, but also benefits from the chairman Gao Xiaojun's leadership and top-level design.
我相信拼发合作，明天会更好。我会带领我们的团队走向成功。按照道德合乎的这个哲学理念，是良知所理念去做的，你知道吧？帮助员工成功，同时成功之子啊，对不对啊？帮助客户成功，同时成功之子呀，对吧？就是因为我走了好多辛苦，好多困难挫折，通过我的努力，通过我的学习的时候，想把所有的东西告诉所有人，你知道吗？
Wuxi Zhuocheng Mechanical Components Company is an enterprise with soul and good reputation, an enterprise that all employees love, and an enterprise with suppliers and customers willing to cooperate. Zhuocheng is the private enterprises model. The ship of Zhuocheng has set sail. We wish and believe that Zhuocheng's tomorrow will be better.